Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start sharing. First, make sure your Zoom app is updated and you've joined the meeting as host or participant with permission. Next, look for the green share screen button in the meeting controls. Click it to open the selection panel. From that panel, pick a specific window, an application, or the entire screen. Choose Share Computer Sound or Optimize for video if you'll play audio or video. Once selected, click Share to begin broadcasting your chosen content to others. Once you're sharing, control and refine what viewers see. You can use the Annotate toolbar to draw, highlight, or add text. Pause share if you need to conceal changes while arranging windows. To switch to a different screen or app, click New Share and pick the new source. This avoids stopping the session. If you need someone else to present, hand off via the Security or Participants menu and grant sharing rights. Also check whether multiple participants are allowed to share, and toggle that to prevent overlap. To finish, click Stop Share and your screen stops broadcasting immediately. Hosts can also stop a participant's share if needed. If attendees report missing audio or choppy video, make sure Share Computer Sound and Optimize for video are selected, then restart sharing. Sometimes closing other apps reduces CPU load. If you can't share at all, check participant permissions in the Participants pane or the meeting security settings. Hosts may need to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.